Hey, it's Patrick from J&P Cycles. We're gonna give you guys a listen to these 4.5-inch Cobra Powrflo mufflers here on our 2012 Road King. Basically, this is gonna sound the same on almost all twin cam baggers. And this is on a stock head pipe. We do have an intake on it, the RPT intake here from Cobra. We'll put the link to the install video in the description. So if you're interested in how to put these on, you can go ahead and check that out. But right now, let's take a listen to these bad boys. As always, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. You can give us a call or chat with us online. Let's hear what these 4.5-inch bad boys sound like.